In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the contact page in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional contact page that helps customers reach you easily and looks consistent with your store's design. First, open your Shopify store and sign in to your admin dashboard. From the sidebar, go to Online Store. This is where you manage your storefront and content. Next, select Pages. Here you can create and organize individual pages for your site. Click Add Page to create a new one. In the title field, enter Contact. Keeping the name simple and clear helps with navigation and search within your store. Now look for the template settings on the right side. From the template drop-down, select Contact. Choosing the contact template is important because it tells Shopify to use the built-in layout that supports a contact form. Once the page is set to the contact template, you'll customize how it looks in your store's theme. Open the template in your store's editor so you can adjust the layout and content. In the theme editor, you'll see sections for this page. Click Add Section to start shaping the page. Choose Rich Text. This section lets you add a friendly introduction or a short message above your form. Type something simple and helpful, like, "Have a question." You can expand that with a sentence or two if you want, but keep it concise so the form is easy to find. Now, add another section. Click Add Section again and select Contact Form. This is the functional part that lets customers send you messages. Place it under your rich text so visitors see your message first, then the form. If the contact form or page shows a default heading that you don't need, remove it to keep the layout clean. You can do this by clearing the heading text field or turning off the heading visibility, depending on your theme. The goal is a simple structure, a short prompt followed by the form. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and publishes them to your storefront. That's it. Your contact page is set up. You've created the page, applied the correct template, added helpful rich text, inserted the contact form, cleaned up any extra heading, and saved your work. Your customers now have a clear, professional way to get in touch, and you have a page that matches your brand's style without unnecessary clutter.